In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate product descriptions with ChatGPT quickly and easily, even if you have no copywriting experience at all. This is a super useful workflow if you sell products online, manage an e-commerce store, write listings for Amazon, or need engaging product text for your website or social media. Instead of spending hours trying to come up with the perfect wording, ChatGPT can help you create clear, persuasive descriptions in just a few seconds. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more practical AI tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is open ChatGPT in your browser or app and make sure you're signed in. Once you're inside, you're ready to give it a simple prompt. Type this. Write a product description for your product name with features and benefits. For example, if you're selling wireless headphones, you could type, write a product description for wireless headphones with features and benefits. The reason this works so well is because you're telling ChatGPT exactly what you want it to do. You're giving it the product name and asking it to focus on both the features and the benefits, which is important because customers usually want to know what the product does and why it matters to them. After you send the prompt, ChatGPT will generate a first draft for you. This is your starting point, and from here, you can improve it based on the style you want. If you want the description to sound more engaging, just tell ChatGPT to make it catchy. If you want it to be easier to scan, ask it to add bullet points. And if you want to improve visibility in search results, ask it to add SEO keywords. These simple follow-up instructions can completely change the final result and make the description much more useful for your audience. For example, you can say, make it catchy, add bullet points, and add SEO keywords. You can also ask it to write in a specific tone, like professional, luxury, friendly, or playful, depending on your brand. If you want more detail, you can ask ChatGPT to make the description shorter for a marketplace listing or longer for a product page. This flexibility is what makes it such a powerful tool. Once you're happy with the result, simply copy the product description and paste it wherever you need it. You can use it on your website product page, in your Amazon listing, in an Etsy shop, in an email campaign, or even as social media caption content. The great thing is that you can generate multiple versions until you find one that matches your brand perfectly. If you're working on several products, you can repeat the same process again and again with different product names, and ChatGPT will help you create descriptions much faster than writing everything from scratch. So that's the easiest way to generate product descriptions with ChatGPT. Open the tool, enter a clear prompt, customize the result, and copy it into your store or marketing content. It's fast, simple, and beginner-friendly. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more AI tutorials, e-commerce tips, and content creation guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.